So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use Image Wand on your particular iPad. Now doing this is actually fairly basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do first is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your Notes application. You also want to make sure you have Apple Intelligence installed, so if you have an iPad with Apple Intelligence, you're going to have to keep that in mind. So go through and lock Apple Intelligence and make sure it's on. Then what you can do is you can make your way over into your Notes application. So make your way over into Notes, and you want to open up any note that you want. Now in the top right, you'll have this little pencil icon right there. All you're going to want to do is you want to tap onto that pencil icon. Now if you enabled Apple Intelligence and you have your Image Wand enabled, so what you can do is you can make your way over into this pencil icon right there. So there's a couple of different icons. You want to go into this particular one right there. So tap onto this, and then what it's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to start making images based on sketches that you make. So if I go and start, I can probably go ahead and you can see I can start kind of doing it. So I can describe an image. If I can, if I want to, I can go and describe something. So I can describe like a smiley face or something like that. And then it can go and create images based off that, which is pretty cool. There's also like a drawing option too. So you can see it's like a phone call with some other things. I can go and click done and just kind of get out of here. Now what I can also do is I can go back into it. I can go and make another one if I want to. So I can go into this. For some reason, it's not really working for me. But essentially, I can go and start drawing again. So I'll just hop out of this one. And you just keep drawing things and you'll be able to get better options. So that's pretty much how you use it. It's not anything super crazy. But you can see you can probably get something done. So you can just kind of draw something and make an image based off what you're doing. So that is kind of what you're doing there. So that's exactly how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.